Question 2.4. The product of two consecutive odd numbers is 63. Calculate the numbers. You can learn about this more from page 96 onwards, okay, about the word sums on page 96 from your textbook. Odd numbers, you know what are odd numbers. For an example, start beginning from 1. What is the next number? You just, in 1 you add plus 2, then you get a 3, plus 2 you get a 5, plus 2 you get a 7, and so on. So what do you notice? There's a constant difference of positive 2, positive 2, positive 2. Okay, so that is your odd number. Okay, so that is why it says, firstly, or first step, you let the first number be x, and then let the next number be x plus 2. And the statement says the product of their consecutive. So the word product means multiplication. Product means the answer that we get when you multiply. So it's about multiplication. So it means x times x plus 2. The answer is 63. Then now let's remove the bracket. What is x times x? X squared. What is x times 2? Is 2x. Then you take this 63 to the left hand side. It becomes negative 63 is equal to 0. Then you solve. For x, you must find out the factors. For x squared is x and x. Then two numbers, when you multiply, they give us negative 63. The same numbers, when you add, they must give us positive 2. So you make your table. You've got negative 63 when you multiply, and then same numbers when you add, they must give you 2. Okay, so when you're looking for the factors, especially if the number is a bigger number like 63, you must start by looking at the factors using 10, 9, 8, 7, and so on. You mustn't start from 1. You must start from 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, 10 is not a factor. You don't even have to try this. Okay, now let's check 9. Is 9 a factor? How do you know if 9 is a factor? Okay, you must press from your calculator 63 divided by 9. What is an answer that you get is 7. Here's an answer, 7. Okay, so 7 and 9, when you add 7 and the 9, especially the other number must be negative, the other number must be positive, they are going to give you this answer 2. A plus a 9 and a negative 7. So the factors for 63, it's 7 times 9. But the middle term is positive. It means the bigger number is going to be positive, and then the smaller number is going to be negative. Okay, so 7 is going to be negative. Then we've got negative 7 and a positive 9. What is negative 7 plus 9? The answer, it gives us positive 2. It means x minus 7 is the first bracket, and then x plus 9 is our second bracket. Okay, now let's clean this so that everything is clear. Okay, so that we can do the next step. Okay, so the next step, let's solve for x. We've got x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x plus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to positive 7, or x is equal to negative 9. Okay, because we are as if we are solving for x. So if we're as if we're solving for x, now let us check if our answers are correct. Let's check if our answers are correct. Okay, so we're gonna do what we call it as a check. Okay, so how do we check? We're going to start first when x is equal to 7. If is going to give us 63. So we've got x into x plus 2. It says it must give us the answer 63. Therefore, in place of x, you put a 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 63. 7, what is 7 plus 2? It's 9. What is 9 times is equal to 63? What is 7 times 9? Is 63. Is equal to 63. It means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this one is correct. Okay, now we're gonna check the next one if we still have a page. Let's check if we still have a page. Let's go down. Okay, similarly, we don't have a page, it's fine, because I don't want to lose this page. Okay, let us erase this one, because we have seen that x is equal to 7. It's the number that we're looking for. Now let us check when x is equal to -9. So we're going to check when x is equal to -9. When I use x into x plus 2 is equal to 63. Then in place of x, we put in -9 into -9 plus 2 is equal to 63. -9. What is -9 plus 2? The answer is -7. Equal to 63. What is -9 times -7? It is equal to 63. Is equal to 63. So what does that mean? The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, so that is the answer. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to -9. Thank you.